It's such a fine day. Chirping birds, enthusiastic breeze, lively trees, and a ground full of curious minds.
Just fine. I think it's extraordinary.
Extraordinary. Why? Did we not have any assignment? Or is one of the teachers absent? Or is something slipping out of my mind? Anyways, what is it?
It's 22nd July. On this day, we celebrate Indian National Flag Day. For this,
I, Ashita,
and I should say, with smile as bright as the morning sun, we invite you all to join us in our assembly. Together, let's make today a canvas filled with bright ideas and shared dreams.
since it's National Flag Day, some wonderful words just crossed my mind. Let me share. Our flag does not fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it.
I concur with you. Flag does represent a grand sense of national pride and deep respect for our nation's heritage.
True, our national flag holds immense significance, representing our struggle for independence, our brave leaders, and the relentless spirits who laid down their life in the service of our nation.
Indeed, so to know more about this important topic, I would like to call Anushka on the stage to deliver some knowledgeful speech among us.
Good morning, everyone. Today we celebrate the symbol of our nation's freedom and unity, the Tiranga. This day was first initiated by Mahatma Gandhi in 1921 and later officially adopted by the Constituent Assembly on July 22, 1947. Our national flag is a symbol of our country's strength, unity, and progress. The saffron, white, and green represent courage, purity, and prosperity. We celebrate National Flag Day to honor the struggles of our freedom fighters, their courage, and their sacrifices. Let us come together to salute our beloved Tiranga and reaffirm our commitment to the values it represents. May our flag forever fly high, inspiring us to build a nation worthy of the sacrifices of our heroes. Let it fly and shine and improve. Catch it if you have to, but let the glory remain. Dear little friends, let us remember to respect our flag, hoist it high with pride, and never let it touch the ground. Let's celebrate our Tiranga with dignity and honor. Thank you.
About on this topic, let's call her to the podium.
Good morning, everyone. Today I'm Shari from class 11B and I'm going to take you on a journey of this beautiful day, which is World International Brain Day. Every year on July 22nd, World Brain Day is celebrated by people worldwide to prevent brain disabilities and treat them. It was established by World Federation of Neurology on 22nd July 2014. And as we know, brain is the most important part of our body and it controls everything we do in our life. So now, let us delve deep into to reveal some interesting facts about this mysterious and the most complex as well as amazing organ known to humankind. Fact number 1. 60% of your brain is made up of fat, making it the fattest organ in the human body. Friends, do you know what fat means? Is it lipid or is it ghee? Fact number 2. Do you know your brain isn't fully formed until the age of 25? Means we are still underdeveloped. Fact number 3. Your brain storage capacity is considered to be immense and it is equal to 2.5 petabyte. Do you know what petabyte is? It is 2.5 million gigabyte. Isn't that amazing? Fact number 4. The human brain runs on about 20 watts of power and interesting part is that it's enough to power a light bulb. Fact number 5. Human adult brain weighs differently in male and in female. But in male it's about 3 pounds and in female it's about 2.75 pounds. But it doesn't affect the intelligence. Fact number 6. Human brain consists of 86 billion neurons. Oh my god. We have that many neurons in our brain. And each brain forms a connection to other neurons which could add up to 1 quadrillion connection. Wow, that's great. Fact number 7. The subconscious mind controls 95% of your life and it never takes rest. Even when you're sleeping, it always keeps on wondering. You know what? Your thought train your brain. So think positive. Thank you. Have a brainy day.
सौरागिनियों से सजा भारत अनोखा रंग सौरागिनियों से सजा भारत अनोखा रंग ये प्यार का संगीत है ये शादी का गीत है ये एकता का राग है भारत अनोखा राग सौरागिनियों से सजा भारत अनोखा राग अनोखा राग भारत के इस एक तारे पे गूंजे हैं जो रागिनी सब मिल गई एक धुन बनी
children for enlightening us about our national flag, then telling us about the great brain that we all have been blessed with, and ending it up with this rhythmic dance. So very well done. We all need to be proud of our national flag. We all need to be proud of the country that we are living in. India is an amazing country, full of diversity, yet we are all so united. We have various cuisines to enjoy. We have various places to visit. We have the wettest place in the world. We have the driest place in the world. We have beautiful valleys in Kashmir. We have the highest mountain peaks. Are there in our country. And our country is represented by our national flag. You heard about its relevance, you heard about the importance of the colors, which you need to further learn, keep it in your hearts, so that you can share it with other friends, especially when you go abroad. When you talk of your country, you can talk so many things and feel proud of it. You all heard about the capacities of the brains that we have. It's amazing. How many gigabytes did they say that the brain has in it? So many, yeah. Something about that they say. But the capacity that our brain has is almost, it cannot be measured. It has got so much of storage power. It's very unfortunate that few of us do not use this capacity. We do not put our brains to test. We let wrong things enter into our brains and minds and hearts, which pollutes us. So our job is to ensure that we provide good information to the brain, we imbibe good things into it, and then again with the help of the brain, weed out, remove the dirt that comes along with it. I always give the example of the ducks eating or taking in water, or if you observe ducks, their beaks have holes on top of them. They go and eat in the drains. They suck in the water through their beaks. And then what happens? The wrong material that they are taking in goes out of the holes from their beaks. And they take in what is required by them. So this is the talent, this is the skill that we need to learn from them. Take in the best and throw out what is wrong. And for that, you need to exercise the power of choice that you have. All of us have been blessed with power of choice, power of intelligence, and power of conscience. So our conscience and intelligence will help us to take in the best and weed out the worst. So do that, keep doing it every day. Exercise your brain. Like every other muscle in our body, if we do not exercise, it will become a waste. Those of you who are good runners, if you do not practice running, you will not be a good runner on the sports day. Similarly, each and every muscle of a body needs some kind of exercise. Our brain also needs an exercise. So keep taking exercises like mathematics. Solve those problems. Take on quizzes. Take on crossword puzzles. It will help you enhance your vocabulary. It will help you exercise your brains. And once you do that, you will see that the capacity of your brain will increase every day. So wishing you a happy growing and let us all become proud Indians. Indians about whom others will feel proud. So aspire for that, and I'm sure each one of us will become outstanding person in our lives. Thank you.